cashew nut chicken Thai by Nunni CW. Put a little oil, garlic, put chicken in it, put a little water, put fish sauce, thin soy sauce, and seasoning sauce. Oyster sauce, if you don't have that much sauce, you can put the soy sauce or fish sauce. Pepper, onion, bell pepper, a little sugar, broccoli, put a little water again, taste it. The taste will be a little sweet and a little salty. Put cashew nuts in it. Finish. You can put this on top a little bit. Pepper to make smell good. And then I put a little basil on the top to make it look good. This is very good with the jasmine rice. Hope you enjoy the dish and you can make it by yourself. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe and share with your friend. Hope you enjoy it and we see next time. Bye bye. Thank you very much.